welcome to Ask a Librarian. Today's question comes from Rowan, who is 9 years old. And Rowan asked, what is your favorite thing to bake? So, for all of you who don't know me, my name is Miss Stephanie, and I'm a children's librarian. And my favorite thing to bake, Rowan, I had to share with you because I just baked some like 2 days ago. And I love banana bread, but not just any banana bread, because I started adding chocolate chips to my banana bread. Oh, chocolate makes everything better, literally. So I baked some, and I cut a slice to show you. Here it is, look at those chocolate chips. Nom, 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 nom. That's what I'm talking about. So there's the answer to your question. Banana bread, chocolate chips.